Hello, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style, your YouTube cooking channel. Look what I've got here, encocado de camarones, which is shrimps in coconut sauce, prepared my way. Yeah, look at this, creamy, tasty, full of flavors. It's quite easy to prepare and I will guide you through it. So I hope you like it and let's start. First of all, we're gonna marinate our shrimps with salt, pepper, olive oil, and of course some garlic. You can use garlic powder as I'm gonna do it, or you can use fresh minced garlic. It's basically up to you, both ways works. So yeah, a little bit of, just let it marinate it 2-3 hours in the fridge or just on the side if you're gonna do it faster. In the meantime, I got some veggies, some onion, red bell pepper, garlic, spring onion, and I'm gonna do a sofrito. I will leave you the recipe, just it's very easy. So we're gonna add some gochujang, which is a Korean chili paste. I'm gonna add a little bit because not everybody at home eats spicy food. Just like that. If you are so far here, why don't you subscribe to the channel? It's for free. And there are a bunch of videos which we can watch and get some ideas cooking. So I don't have the shells of the shrimps, and I'm gonna add some of the shrimp itself, that I got some much more intense flavor. Ideally with the shells, I will add the shells here and then blend them, yeah, and we're gonna take all the flavor from the shells and the heads of the shrimps, but I don't have it, so I just add 4 or 5 shrimps, I don't remember, some salt, some pepper with the veggies, and just saute them. Yeah, it starts smelling, and just avoid burning it, just control the heat, it's very important, and just also the salt, just a little bit of salt. And now we are gonna add our coconut milk. Yeah, and this coconut milk we're gonna bring it to boil it, but before I add the coconut milk, I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Look, we got the shrimps, the veggies, and now the coconut milk. Yeah, just like that. We're just gonna mix all together, that all the flavors get together, and let it boil a little bit. And once it boils, we are gonna blend them. Yeah, it's just like that. You can also not blend it, it's just basically up to you. In the meantime, I will cut my asparagus, green asparagus, just around 1 centimeter, just like that. We got to consider like they are cooked very fast, and the shrimps as well, so we have to take care of the cooking time, yeah, for both ingredients. So look, once it's boiled a little bit, we're just gonna blend it, all the flavors are there. So it's got the shrimps, the veggies, the coconut milk, just blend it. You can leave it if you want, not blend it, yeah. You will have the veggies there. You can maybe cut the veggies smaller. So after blended, we are gonna add some lime leaves. I'll recommend you to count them, so once you remove them, you know exactly how many you have, and you will remove it because you are not eating them. So I will add my asparagus. As I said, we need the asparagus just like when they are like 70% through. The cook time is the time we're gonna add our shrimps. Yeah, just 2 minutes before the shrimps. We need you only 2 minutes. I'm gonna add some coconut, grated coconut, some 2 tablespoons, just to add consistency and flavor as well to the sauce. Look, it's already very creamy, very thick, very intense, the flavor. Yeah. Now I'm gonna remove my bay leaf. That's what I meant. Yeah. Look, they left the flavor and on the sauce, and we don't need them. We remove them, just like that. Look, we are so far. Just now, cooking time. This is just 2 minutes, just around 2 minutes. Very, 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 very fast. Shrimps, don't overcook them, otherwise the taste change a little bit. Yeah. Look, just mix them, control the temperature. You don't want to burn your dish so far. Now we're gonna add the green part of the spring onion just before ending, just to not to overcook the green leaves. Yeah, look, so far just like that, we are just almost there. Look, the consistency we want it just creamy, tasty, just to chop rice, chop quinoa, or why not, you can also do a pasta with it. Yeah, just like that. And we're gonna finish it up with some fresh coriander, of course. Fresh coriander just at the end, just before serving it. It's gonna be it. So if you are so far to here, why don't you leave your thumb up, leave your comment below, and if you like it, just subscribe to the channel. So I hope you like the video and you enjoyed the journey, and wish you a nice day and a good appetite. I hope you make your own encocado and you like it as well. So enjoy the journey. Cheers.